Welcome to Bold Story Press's Navigating Instagram video. The tabs at the bottom of your screen are how you navigate to different parts of the app. This is the home page. Here you can find content from accounts you follow. At the top, you can view stories posted by accounts you follow. Stories are only viewable for 24 hours. You can also click your profile picture to add to your own story. If you click the search button, you can search for an account or post and see posts and reels, or videos, from accounts you don't follow. When you search for something, Instagram will look for content with hashtags that match your search. Hashtags are words or phrases in captions that describe content, and they are preceded by a pound sign. You can learn more about hashtags in a separate video, but it's important to use hashtags in your content because they help people find your posts. Click the Profile button to view your profile. At the top, you can click your profile picture to post on your story or write a note to your followers. Remember that both will only be visible on your account for 24 hours. At the top, you can also view the number of posts and followers you have, as well as the number of accounts you follow. If you have a professional account, you'll see a button to view your professional dashboard. You can learn more about that in our video on converting to a professional account. You can edit your profile by clicking Edit Profile. You can share your profile by clicking Share Profile. And you can view your contact information by clicking Contact. Underneath are your highlights. If you make a post on your story that you want to be visible beyond 24 hours, you can make a story highlight. At the bottom, you can see all of your posts. If you click the Video tab, you can see all of your video posts or reels. If you click the arrows, you can see others' posts that you've reposted. If you click the person icon, you can see the posts you've been tagged in. If you click the Video tab, you can see reels. If you click the Arrow tab, you can see and reply to your messages. At the top right corner, you can view and adjust your settings.